Do you want to generate unlimited AI videos in your smartphone but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. I'm fine as well. In this video, I will let you know how you can generate unlimited AI videos in your smartphone free of cost. So let's start the video. Friends, first of all, open your Google Play Store and install Meta AI app. I have already installed Meta AI app. Then you have to log in into Meta AI app with your Facebook or Instagram account. Now I will open my Meta AI app. You can see this AI video is generated with Meta AI, and you will also see on the right hand side the glasses icon. Click on glasses icon and then you will see ask anything option. You can write your own prompt here or you can create prompt from ChatGPT as well. First you have to create image and then you have to convert that image into video. So I will go to ChatGPT and I will tell ChatGPT to create image prompt for Meta AI. Here we go. Now ChatGPT is generating image prompt for me. Here we go. Now image prompt is ready. Now I will copy this image prompt. Now I have copied the image prompt and I will go back to Meta AI app and I will paste that prompt over here. Then I will click on blue arrow to generate the image. Here we go. Now the process of image generation has been started and Meta AI will give me 4 images, and from that 4 pictures I will select the best picture and I will convert that picture into video. So you can see Meta AI have generated 4 images for me and all the images are very clear, sharp, and the dog is looking very cute, and I think this picture is okay. Let me see the another one. Here we go, and this one is the best one. And you will see the animate option below the picture. You have to click on animate and you can simply click on the arrow to animate the picture and the processing will start. So friends, processing has been completed. Now my video is ready and you can also see how beautiful this video is looking. Dog is looking very cute. Dog is walking in the park with her owner, and you have to click on the video and then you will see 3 dot option on the top. You have to click on that and then you will see the save option, and when you will click on save, video will be downloaded into your device. So friends, this is how you can generate unlimited AI videos in your smartphone. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care, bye bye.